Audi Q5. If you have error like gearbox and it says gearbox error, but you can drive. I show you. Oh no, it's tire, but another one is coming soon. Transmission moving, you can continue driving. If you have like this and computer saying signal line from Tiptronic, it means this one is faulty. It's not coming plus minus. So from this one it's not coming signal, and must change this or repair. And what I found, selector level position is error, and fault code was signal line for Tiptronic. And what I found, I opened, disassemble all this, and I open this electrical position sensor, and what I found, somebody have used some screwdriver or something inside here and make big mess. So we try to fix this, put everything back, see what happens. I have soldered it there, make new, how to say, new roads, cables, and it's working now. Fault disappear, everything works, everything nice. No more messages, nothing, so see you later.